Kids, Prinzy here. Today I will teach you how to draw a beautiful frog. Let's get started. Grab your pen and paper and start drawing with me. First, I'm going to draw our frog's upper part. Draw with me, kids. Yes, you are doing right. Now, I'm going to draw two puff sleeves. Great! Now I'm completing my frog. Now I'm going to add some detailings. Great job, kids! Our frog is ready. Now I'm going to enhance the picture. Great, kids! It is more visible to us now. Let's color our picture. First I'm going to draw some flowers. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Light green color. Sky blue color. Purple color. Now I am using sea green color. Now I am using orange color. Now I am using light green color. Purple color. Red color. Now I am using yellow color for our frog's border. For our sleeves, I am using pink color. Great job! Our frock is ready. Hope you like the video. Do like, share and subscribe to the video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.